Good morning, students. I'm your English teacher in Vittal Matriculation School. Today, Monday. Hope you all doing well, right? Yes. Had your breakfast? Yes. Are you all happy, students? Yes, you have to. Happy to learning more lessons. Okay, students. In last class, what we have seen? Are you all remembered? Yes, in last class, let us learn. Let us learn. Come, let us play. Come, let us play. Just recall now and we have to start the lesson today. Okay. First, let me recall. The dogs are playing cricket. See, the dogs are playing cricket. The rat wants to join. The rat wants to join them. May I play with you? The rat asked the dog, may I play with you? But the game has started. Sorry, you are late. The dog replied to the rat, but the game has started. Sorry, you are late. The rabbit is flying a kite. The rabbit is flying a kite. The rat wants to join. The rat wants to join. May I fly your kite? May I fly your kite? The rat asked to the rabbit. But rabbit replied, but I have only one. But I have only one. And then the monkeys are swinging on the tree. The monkeys are swinging on the tree. May I help with you? May I help with you? See, the monkeys are swinging on the tree. The rat wants to join, right? The rat asked the monkey, may I help with you? May I help with you? But rats cannot swing. But rats cannot swing. Monkey replied, but rats cannot swing. The frogs are playing hopscotch. The frogs are playing hopscotch. Here see. The rat wants to join them. The rat asks frogs, may I hop with you? May I hop with you? The another frog has replied, no, only two can play this game. No, only two can play this game. Then the rat is building a sandcastle. The rat is building a sandcastle. Everyone wants to join him. Everyone wants to join him. Then I will play alone. I will play alone. The rat decided to play alone. Hey, look at that. A sandcastle. A sandcastle. Here, see the rat build a building using the sand. That is called as sandcastle. Then, shall we join him? Here the four animals want to join the rat. Shall we join him? The rat invites everyone to play with him. The rat invites everyone to play with him. Yes. Let us play together. Here, let us play together. Playing together is always fun. Playing together is always fun. Students, so you have to play with your friends. Okay. That time you got full happiness. Yes. Are you all understood this passage? Yes. Next. Let us understand. Let us understand. Listen to the teacher and pick the correct picture. Here, see, first one is, you have already seen all those things, right? Yes. Here they have, no, here this game played two children only. So this one is correct, and we have to play our friends and then circle the right word. The boy play swinging, right? So swing. Here what it is? It is marbles. And what it is? It is ball. And what it is? Kite. And then what it is? Sandcastle. And bat. Then who flies a kite? Who flies a kite? Rabbit flies a kite. Students, you have to write it in your book, right? You already write it. Who has a boat? Who has a bat? Dog has a bat. Who builds a sandcastle? Rat builds a sandcastle. Whom do you like in the story? Why? Rat, because the rat invites everyone to play with him. Rat, because the rat invites everyone to play with him. Do you like to play alone or with friends? Why? I like to play with my friends because playing together always fun. Because playing together always fun. Then think zone, color and show what comes next. Here they give some colors. You have to color the triangle and square. Okay. And then alphabet jungle. Alphabet jungle. There is a jaguar. There is a jaguar. 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 Kangaroo. A kangaroo hops along the path. A kangaroo hops along the path. He passes a lion sleeping in the grass. A monkey. A monkey climbs a tree to see a nightingale. To see a nightingale. An owl looks at him. An owl looks at him. And then a parrot and a quail dance on a branch. A parrot and a quail dance on a branch. And then a little rabbit. A little rabbit runs into a hole. A little rabbit runs into a hole. Next, let us write. You already know how to write J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. These letters are capital letters in alphabets, right? And then these letters are small alphabetics like J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. And then sing aloud. Here, Already you have to know how to sing these lines. Then let us do. Word ball. I and with you, me, may, can, know, as, has, will. You have to know the words and its meanings. And then circle. Wait. Let us practice. Here has a kite. What it is? It is a rabbit. Rabbit has a kite. Here the dog, right? Dog has a bat. Dog has a bat. Here rabbit. Let us practice. Rabbit. Rabbit has a kite. Here monkey. Monkey has a bat. Let us do together. What do you play with? Draw it. I play with blocks. You have to draw a pictures, right? And then let us say. Listen to the song and repeat. Students, you have to say after me, okay? I, S, B, D, L, C, H. Listen and say. Yes. Yes as in sun, soap. Sun, soap. I as in ink, idli. Ink, idli. B. B as in ball. Ball, bat. Ball, bat. And then I as in lemon, line. Lemon, line. H as in house. House, hen. Hen. D as in dog. Doll. Dog, doll. C as in car, cap. Car, cap. Then blend and say aloud. Blend and say aloud. Blend and say aloud. H-I-P, hip. H-I-P, hip. T-I-P, tip. D-I-P, dip. S-I-T, sit. H-I-T, hit. L-I-T, lit. D-I-N, din. B-I-N, bin. T-I-N, thin. Okay. Next, let us do. Let us do. Here, word wall. Word wall. S-I-P, sip. Students, you have to say after me, okay? Yes, I-P, sip. H-I-P, hip. L-I-P, lip. D I P, dip. N I P, nip. T I P, tip. D I N, din. P I N, pin. T I N, tin. B I N, bin. B I D, bid. L I D, lid. B I T, bit. S I T, sit. P I T, pit. H I T, hit. L I T, lit. S A T, sat. M A T, mat. P A T, pat. P A D, pad. H A D, had. L A D, lad. M A P, map. C A P, cap. N A P, nap. L A P, lap. T A P, tap. C A N, can. M A N, man. P A N, pan. T A N, tan. C A B, cab. T A B, tab. Okay, next let us practice. Let us practice. Say aloud. Say aloud. This is a pin. This is a pin. Here you already know that, right? Pin. P-I-N, pin. We are using our cloths. This is a nib. You know that? It have pen. This is a nib. Nib. N-I-B, nib. This is a lid. See? Lid. Lid means it is used as kitchen. This is a lid. Here they give some questions and answers. We have to practice. Is it a pin? Is it a pin? No, it is not. This is not a pin, right? Is it a bin? No. No, it is not. This is not a bin, right? Is it a fin? Is it a fin? No, it is not. It is not a fin. Is it a tin? Yes, it is A tin. It is a tin. Then help the rabbit to reach the carrot. Follow the IP words. IP words. Here we already know that, right? Like NIP, nip. Here it have IP word, right? So we have to follow the IP words. IP words. Here the rabbit, it is here. They give so many ways to catch the carrot. So we have to help the rabbit. Okay, students, we have to find IP words. First, NIP, nip. NIP, nip. And then see, sip. SIP, sip. Then where it is IP word? See, lip. LIP, lip. So we have to find the way, right? Like that. Then lip. Then hip. HIP, hip. Lip. We have to then hip. Then tip. See the way to the carrot. Tip. TIP, tip. And then here see dip. DIP, dip. See, and then sip. Dip, then sip. And then finally nip. NIP, nip. And finally the rabbit found the carrot. Yes. And then let us learn. Let us learn. Before that, we have to recall. Here, what is the NIP words? Sorry, IP words. Nip, NIP, nip. SIP, sip. LIP, lip. HIP, hip. TIP, tip. And then DIP, dip. Sip. SIP, sip. NIP, nip. Okay, students, we will continue in the next class. Thank you, students. Keep safe at your home. Thank you.